So in the last class, I explained about the cone. A cone is, you know that how to the shapes of the cone, the buffoon's cap, and ice cream cone. Okay, ice cream cone and tip of the pencil. So when the construction is going on, surroundings of your area, the people will come and lorry load will come and dump the sand. That the sand takes place the conical shape, and heap of the paddy. When you go to the agricultural lands, agricultural fields, so after harvesting, they keep the paddy. They dump the paddy on the floor. So the paddy also takes the conical shape, heap of the paddy. That shape, that is a cone. So the base of the cone is a circular shape. You know that circular shape. So I gave you the formula in the last class. The curved surface area of cone is pi RL. R means radius, L means, you know that, slant height. So the slant height can be found by using the Pythagoras theorem. Yesterday I told you in the last class. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That is why L square equal to what? L square is L means slant height. L square equal to H square plus R square, I told you. That is, and therefore CSA of cone is pi RL. And total surface area of cone is pi r into L plus r, and volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square. This is the concept we have discussed in the last class. Now let us start the cone related exercises. Exercise 10.3. We will solve the problems in exercise 10.3. Now first problem. The base area of cone is 38.5 square centimeter. Its volume is 77. The base area of cone, this is a cone, this is the cone. You need to draw the diagram. Wherever diagram is required, there you need to draw the diagram. This is cone, this is cone. The cross section of cone is right angle triangle, I told you. This is A, O, B. OB is the radius, R this is the general height, this is the slant height, slant height. This is, you know, this right angle. Then the side opposite to right angle hypotenuse is nothing but slant height here. H is the vertical height. H is the general height or vertical height. OB is the radius. This is the AB is the slant height. The base area given. What is the base of the cone? Base of the cone is circular shape. Area of the cone given here. Area of the base. The base area of cone and volume given. So base area of cone. Base area, given that base area of a cone, is 38.5 square centimeters. What is base area of cone? What is the base of the cone circle? The area of circle is what? Pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 38.5 square centimeters. Now here what we ask, we have volume given. And also be given volume. Volume of a cone is equal to 77 cubic centimeters. 5 is height. Okay. Volume of cone formula is what? Volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h is equal to 77. So 1/3 into pi r square already given. Pi r square means area of the base. So base of the cone is circle. Area of the circle is pi r square given here. So instead of pi r square, right here 38.5 into h is equal to 77. Now 1/3 into 38.5. Remove the decimal. The decimal is after one place. Remove the decimal. Keep 1 0 in the denominator. Into h is equal to 77. H.0. H is equal to 77. This fraction becomes 1 by 3 becomes 3 by 1. 385 by 10 becomes 10 by 380. So 11 3 is 33. 11 5 is 11 7. 7 1 is 7 5 is 5 1 is. So H is equal to 6. The height of the cone is 6 centimeters, like this. Given that base area of cone is 38.5 square centimeters. Base area of the cone is circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. Base area of the cone is what? Pi r square is equal to 38.5. Keep it. Volume of cone is equal to 77. Volume of cone formula 1/3 pi r square h equal to 77. 1/3 pi r square value already given here 38.5 into h is equal to 77. So 1/3 into 38.5, remove the decimal. The decimal is after one place. You have to keep the 1 0 in the denominator. By 10 into h equal to 77. H is equal to 77. 1 by 3 becomes 3 by 1. 3 divided by 10 becomes 10 by 3 85 after getting cancellation. So we got h value 6 centimeters. Children, I hope you clearly understood this problem. So I go for now next problem. Second problem. I go for the second problem. Okay, right? Second problem. So the volume of cone is 462 cubic meters and its base radius is 7 meters, find its height. So volume given, base radius given that base radius of cone, base radius of cone, base radius of the cone is equal to 7 meters. Base radius is r. And volume given. Volume of a cone equal to 462 cubic meters. Find its height. Volume of cone formula is what? 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h is equal to 462. So 1/3 pi value we know that 22 by 7. Radius r is equal to how much given? Base radius, this is r. R is equal to 7. Radius means r is 7. 7 square, 7 into 7 into h is equal to 462. Okay. Now 7 1 you can find out h. H is equal to 462 into the numerator becomes denominator becomes numerators. Or denominator becomes numerators. Or numerator becomes denominators. 22 into 7 into 7. Okay. So 7 1 7 cancel. Now 11 2 11 4 11 2 7 6 of 42. 2 1 2 6. H is equal to 3 9. So 9 is given the meters. It is equal to meters. 9 meters. The height of the cone is how much? 9 meters. I hope you clearly understood the second problem. Now I go for the third problem. Now. Third problem. Here, third. Curved surface area of cone is 308 square centimeters and slant height is 40. Given that slant height, of a cone, slant height means here is equal to 14 centimeters. And CSA given. CSA of a cone is equal to 308 square centimeters. Slant height given, CSA given. CSA of cone, curved surface area of cone is what? Pi RL. Pi RL is equal to 308. Pi value is 22 by 7. Do you have radius? No. L means slant height 14 is equal to 308. R find out. R is equal to 308. The numerator becomes denominator becomes numerator when you shift right side. So 7 is the denominator becomes numerator and R numerator becomes denominator 22 14. Now 11 2s are 22, 11 2s are 11 8, 14 2s are 28, 2 1 you can see. R is equal to 7 centimeters. We got the radius. Here find out Radius of the base, we got it. First bit we got. They asked to find the radius of the base, 1 centimeter. Total surface area. Total surface area of cone is pi r into L plus r. TSA. TSA of cone. Second bit. TSA of cone. TSA of a. TSA of the cone is pi r into L plus r. Pi r into L plus r. So pi value is 22 by 7. The radius is how much? 7. L plus r. L is 14. R is 7. So 22 by 7 into 7. 14 plus 7, 21. So 7 7 cancel. 2 4. That is 462. Multiplication. 22 into 21, we get 462 square centimeters. This is the TSA of cone. Yes, I hope you clearly understood. You clearly understood. Okay. Now I go for the fourth problem. The cost of painting the total surface area of cone. I hope you clearly understood the second and third problem. Now I go for fourth problem. The cost of painting the total surface area of cone at 25 pies per square meter is 176 rupees. Find the volume of the cone if its lot height is 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters. So I arrange this problem. I arrange this. Yes. Fourth problem, children. Fourth problem. The cost of painting the total surface area of cone 25 pies per square centimeter is 176 rupees. Find the volume of the cone if its front height is 25 centimeters. The TSA of the cone at the 25 pies per square centimeter is 176 rupees. The total surface area of cone at 25 paisa per square centimeter is 176 rupees. For square centimeter is 25 paisa. The TSA of a cone, TS of a cone at 25 pies is equal to 1 square centimeter. For 176 rupees equal to how much? For 176 rupees equal to how many square meters? Means it will be more area. The TSA of a cone, painting, the cost of painting, the cost of painting, the cost of painting, the cost of painting of TSA of a cone. The cost of painting of TSA of a cone at 25 paisa equal to 1 square. To paint the total surface, to paint the total surface area of a cone for 25 paisa equal to 1. For 1 square centimeter painting, 25 paisa expenditure. What is the cost of for 1 square centimeter? 25 paisa. So if you spend more money, more area. More money, more area. So 1 more means 176 by 25 paisa. 176 by 25 paisa into this. This is TSA. Okay. For cost of painting for 25 paisa, to paint the 1 square centimeter, getting 25 paisa cost. For 176, they spend the more money, you can get the more area can be painted, isn't it? So more by less. 176 rupees by 176 rupees by 25 paisa. So 176 rupees. This 25 paisa also change into rupees. 25 paisa also change into rupees. When you change the pies into rupees, divided by 100. 100 paisa equal to 1 rupee. 25 paisa equal to 25 by 100. This is rupees. This is rupees. This is square centimeters. Now 176 into 25 by 100 becomes 100 by 25. So 25 4s are 100. 25 4s are 100. So 4 6 are 24. 4 7 are 28. 28 to 30. 4 1 are 4. 4 plus 2 7. 7 are 4. Multiply 176 into 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 7 are 28. 28 to 30. 4 1 are 4. 7 are 4. 7 are 4 square centimeters. So this is. And what given here? Given slant height. L is equal. Slant height given. Slant height. Slant height L is equal 25 centimeters. So PSA is equal how much? 7 or 4. PSA formula pi r into L plus r is equal 7 or 4. 7 or 4. Pi value is 22 by 7. Do we have the radius? We don't have the radius. R L plus r. L is how much? 25 plus r is equal 7 or 4. R into 25 plus r is equal 7 or 4 into 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22. 11 2 ja, 11 6 ja, 11 4 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja. So r into 25 plus r is equal 7 to the 14, 1, 7 to the 21, 2 24. R into 25 r into r square is equal to 224. We got the equation. You already learned in the polynomials how to factorize this. So r square plus 25r plus 224 carry this in minus 224 equal to 0. Factorize this. Factorization 224. 4 5s are 4 6s are. 4 4 3 are. If we get 25, we factorize this, we'll get it. Two into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 448, 8 16. 32 into 7. 32 into 7. Split into factors. 224. 32 into 7. Middle term sign should be given to greater factor. Constant is minus, give the opposite side. 32 minus 7, 25. R square plus 32r minus 7r minus 224 equal 0. 224 split into 32 into 7 plus 7 plus 32 minus 7. R common R plus 32 minus 7 common R plus 32 equal 0. R plus 32 R minus 7 equal to 0. R plus 32 equal to 0. R equal to minus 32. It should be neglected. It should be neglected because the geometrical measurements never come in the negatives. Don't accept the negative value. You take positive value. R minus 1 equal to 0. R equal to 7. So R equal to 7 centimeters. The radius is 7 centimeters. Find the volume. Find the volume. Volume formula is 1/3 pi r square h. We have R and H. We don't have H. H square find out. H square equal to L square minus R square. What is L? The slant height L is equal to 25. 25 square minus R is 7 square. 25 square 625. 7 square 49. 15 minus 9 625 minus 49. 15 minus 9 6. 11 minus 4 7. 576. So h is equal to root 576, that is equal to 24 centimeters. We got h. H is equal to 24 centimeters. We got the radius. Volume find out. You know volume formula. Complete it. Volume find out. So volume is equal to formula 1 third pi r square h in that. 1 third pi r square h volume. So 1 third pi value 22 by 7. The radius how much got? 7 square, 7 into 7 into h is how much? 24. H is 24. 7 7 3 1 324. You multiply it. 22 7 is 154. 154 into 8. 8 4 is 32. 8 5 is 40. 43. 8 1 8. 8 4 12. 1232. 1232 cubic centimeters. 1232 cubic centimeters. This is the volume. Okay. Here, after getting here, what we want? Radius. We have the radius and slant height. Find out h square. H square equal to formula L square minus R square. So substitute. H value got 24. Now, volume of cone is equal to 1 third pi R square. 1 third pi value 22 by 7. R square 707 and h is 24. 7 7 get cancelled. 3 1 3 8. So what left in the numerator? 22 7 8. 22 7 154. 154 into 8, 1232 cubic centimeters. This is the volume. So I hope we clearly understood, children. So we'll discuss next problems in the next class. Okay, thank you.